Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Rick, the Honest Mechanic, and today we're going to see if my hard work has paid off from tearing down and rebuilding this entire engine. What we have in front of me is a 2007 Can Am 500 engine, and we're going to throw it in the frame and see if it fires up. Stay tuned. Okay, so the engine is in place. We've got some fluids, we've got some coolant, we've got some oil in there. The exhaust system is in place. The air box, the throttle body, that's all in place. Still got a couple of tie wraps to put in place, but before we go too far, and in case there's anything else that may occur, I want to see if it actually starts. But I'm really nervous. I don't know, there's something about it. I never like the first startup on any rebuild. So I'm going to make sure, I'm going to take the cap out yet again, and I'm going to rotate the engine clockwise a couple of times, and I just want to feel to make sure that nothing is catching or nothing is binding. Oh, I have no idea. Like, this is so nerve-wracking. I hate the first startup. Everything feels okay. You can feel the valve going up and down. Okay. I don't know. What do you guys think? Think to fire up. Keep in mind, I don't have very much experience with these Can Ams. And I mean, I guess I gotta do it anyway. Here we go. Oh, I heard some priming. Battery is a little bit low. Come on, dude, let's work together here. Alright, well, I guess I better put this battery on a boost and we'll come back and try it again. Okay, so we've got the battery charger connected to the battery. Now, hopefully, this will be helpful. Everything's looking okay. Let's see if we can get this thing to start. Not good. Okay, so let me grab this. I don't know how this happened. Might have pinched it on the way in, but let me just prime the fuel system one more time and then look right down here. You guys see that? Yeah, so we've got a fuel leak, so we can't run that, so we're gonna have to replace that. However, the project is a success. It's running. And this right here is the culprit. This little chunk of fuel line. And right around there you can see a slice in it where it was kind of just spewing out. So we've got that replaced. Now, let's fire it up. Take it out for a little ride. Well, she's working really well. I mean, got a little bit of smoke here off the exhaust, that's fine. The clutch is a little bit clanky, maybe a new belt as well, but otherwise, this thing is running really good. We're going to double check the fluids. After about an hour or so of idling and riding, I'm going to dump the oil, put some fresh stuff in there with a fresh filter, and then she's good to go. Alright guys, that's going to do for now. This is a success. This thing runs, it moves, it's got no leaks, so I'm very happy with it. And I'm also very happy you guys took the time to watch my video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.